Hello once again, everyone. This is Coach Knight. Gonna show you how to do coterminal angles here, how to find them. Basically, before we start with our problem, the problem says find one positive and one negative angle that are coterminal with A, negative 45 degrees, and B, 395 degrees. So we got two examples here. I'm just gonna explain to you what a coterminal angle is. First off, if you have an angle, and I'm just going to make one up here. Let's say, I don't know, 50 degrees. Let's say right there. That angle's 50 degrees. We'll call it theta, okay? So if theta is 50 degrees, it's made up of two parts. You have the initial side, which is the positive x-axis, always. That's always your starting side, okay? Initial side just means the starting side. And you have the terminal side. Now the terminal side is just where does the angle stop, okay? So you have, like I said, the initial side down here, and you have the terminal side there, okay? So the term coterminal angle, okay, means what's another angle that shares that same terminal side, okay? So basically, if you took this angle, any angle that has this side right here for its terminal side is coterminal with 50 degrees. And you can do that one of two ways. You can either continue the angle around, okay? It can keep going all the way around back to there, okay? So basically, we just went one full circle from 50 degrees. Well, one full circle is 360 degrees. So that would just be saying 50 degrees plus 360 degrees is 410 degrees. 410 would be this angle right here, dotted angle that we're drawing, okay? But they stop at the same side, okay? Now, you can go that way, or you can go the other direction and be negative, okay? So, also, if I wanted to, I can say 50 degrees minus 360 degrees, because remember, when you go clockwise, it's negative, okay? So 50 minus 360 degrees is negative 310 degrees. That is also coterminal with 50 degrees. And again, all coterminal means is they're sharing the same side that they end on, okay? That's all that means. So to do our problems over here, A is negative 45 degrees. And notice the problem says to find one positive and one negative angle that are coterminal. So you don't have to just add 360 or negative or subtract 360 once. If you need to do it twice, you can do it twice. If you need to do it 3 times, you can do it 3 times. You can add 360 or subtract 360 as many times as you need to get the answer that you're looking for, okay? In this case, we want one positive and one negative. So to get the positive angle, well, if we're at negative 45 degrees, I'm going to add 360 to get a positive angle. That would be 315 degrees. There's your positive angle. For the negative, it's already negative, so I just need to subtract 360 degrees. That would be negative 405. So for negative 45 degrees, 315 degrees would be a positive coterminal angle, and negative 405 degrees would be a negative coterminal angle. Let's try part B. Part B is 395 degrees. So for a positive coterminal angle, I could take, now here's where I have a choice here. I can add 360, or I could even subtract 360 here, because if I subtract 360, I'm still going to have a positive angle. So that would be, what, 35 degrees? 35 is positive. So that would be a positive angle. But understand, I could have added 360 as well and got an answer too. That would have been okay. That would have been a positive angle still. For the negative, here is the case where I'm going to have to subtract 360 twice. Because if you only subtract 360 once, you've already established you get 35 degrees, okay? So you have to subtract it again, and you will end up getting negative 325 degrees. So there is a negative coterminal angle with 395. There is a positive coterminal angle with 395. Hope this video helps. Y'all stay above the line. Have a great day.